Most welcome to our channel all about art. This is Mo. Today we will look into your gorgeous hair. Today we will see how easily we can bring out different hairs in a drawing or painting. First, using pencil, using 2B, 4B, 6B, 10B pencils, we are drawing open curly hair and open straight hair. The utility of B pencil is to make soft but dark shade. So B pencils are used. While drawing hair, it is not necessary to be so accurate, like in case of body proportion drawing or figure drawing. Even if the strokes are little haphazard, it will not be much of a problem. So, you will not need to use an eraser every time because each and every so-called right or wrong stroke will not spoil the subject here. Whether it is pencil, pen, colored pencil, watercolor, oil color, or any other medium used, the role of tone is very important. This is because of light. I will bring another video regarding tone. About light, I can say light exposure. To bring that out, how much pressure I will apply on the paper, that will be governed by tone, especially while using pencil or pen. Since we can also do the shading by changing the color, it appears quite easy. Burgundy, brown, silver, green, white, etc. are often used to color hairs. So, in this drawing, you will find those colors as well. Pastel is used in this work. I will make another video on using pastel. While drawing white hair or blonde, if you use color according to your choice or according to the composition on the background, then you can bring out the hair color easily. Now, a work using watercolor. While using watercolor, it is up to the artist to decide the ratio of water and color to be used and whether there should be water or color at the tip of the brush to bring out the required tone. If you get any value from this video, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.